Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I bring a fantastic application for you which can read your mind and let you know whatever you think in your mind. This application is so amazing that it can surprise you by reading your mind. So what application is this, how it works, and what kind of setting needs to be done? Without wasting any time, let's get started here. But before we proceed with this, I would request you, please go ahead and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will not lose any video from our channel. First of all, I'll show you this one. You see this one, this is the mind reading application. I'll let you know how you can download it. So I'm going to open this one right now for you. So when you open this one, this is the interface which you will be getting. So I just need to click on surprise me here. So now it asks me to select any number between 1 to 99. So it will let me know what I was thinking in my mind. I think in my mind number 10. So I'm going to click on let's go here. So I just need to find out, is the 10 is there? Yes, the 10 is there in the card. So I'm going to click on yes, it's there. Now I find that 10 is not there in the card. So I click on no, it's not there. So again, in the card number 3, the 10 number is not there. And again in the card number 4, the 10 number is not there. And again in the card number 5, 10 number is not there. And in the card number 6, yes, 10 is there. So, and in card number 7, again the card number is not there. And you see this is the number which I was thinking in my mind. So this application is so amazing that it will, whatever you think in your mind, at the end it will let you know. It has so many games like right now. Now this application also lets you know the secret about this, how it works, and there are so many tricks right now. When you click on this one, again there is a different tricks. So again and again it will read your mind and let you know how it's working, and you will get surprised again and again. Download this application and check this out, and if you still find any problem, just comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.